Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Dasara special Bengali sweet payesh. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup of basmati rice and soak for 20 minutes. This is the cup I used for measurement. Add 1/4 cup of jaggery and little water. Cook until jaggery melts completely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting and healthy recipes. Now strain the jaggery syrup. In other vessel, add 3 cups of full cream milk. Let the milk boil. Now add 2 bay leaves and 2 crushed cardamoms. Now add soaked basmati rice. Close and cook until the rice is cooked perfectly. Cook on low to medium heat. The rice is cooked perfectly, you can see in the video. It took around 15 minutes for me. Now remove the bay leaves from the rice. Now add jaggery syrup and 1/4 cup of sugar. Adjust sugar and jaggery as per your taste. Cook for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and chopped cashews and almonds. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Now the delicious Bengali sweet payesh is ready. You can serve this as Naivedyam also. More sweet recipes and Naivedyam recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.